topic for our website because it's a universal connector. It embodies social connections. It gives pleasure, satisfaction, and comfort to people. As they say, people who love to eat are always the best ones. And we believe food's importance is not just for survival, but it is for enriching our lives with shared joy and cultural richness.
Craving comforting food in a welcoming atmosphere? Our site is your guide to the hidden culinary gems of Luacan Itogon Beng. We bring you insight into local restaurants, showcasing their diverse menus and mouth-watering dishes they lovingly prepare.
An example is the Pancit Bihon of the Servants Restaurant in Loacan, Itogon, Benguet. Today, we will have a peek on how these certain restaurants prepare the dishes they serve. It's not only how these restaurants serve and prepare their dishes with TLC or what they call tender loving care, but also how they serve and present. Another plus points for these restaurants is the vibe their establishment gives and how the staff openly welcome their guests.
So the pancit bihon is very delicious. It's full of vegetables and it is also tasty and filling.
The food was good. So we encourage you to try the dishes and visit these restaurants here in Luacan, Itogon, Benguet.